Therapeutic diet for diabetes. You might be worried that diabetes means giving up the foods you love. But here's the good news. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, just in smaller portions or less frequently. The key is working with your doctor to create a personalized eating plan that fits your needs and preferences. The cornerstone of a diabetic diet is eating a variety of healthy foods from all food groups, but in portions defined by your nutrition plan. Recommended foods for diabetes. Non-starchy vegetables include broccoli, carrots, leafy greens, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Fruits: oranges, berries, apples, and grapes. Grains. At least half of your grains should be whole grains. These include wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, and quinoa. Proteins: lean meats, skinless chicken or turkey, fish, eggs, nuts and peanuts, dried beans and certain peas, such as chickpeas and split peas. Meat substitutes like tofu, dairy, low-fat or fat-free, milk or lactose-free milk, if you're lactose intolerant, yogurt. Cheese. Heart-healthy fats are found in oils that are liquid at room temperature, like canola and olive oil. Nuts and seeds. Fatty fish, like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. Avocados. When cooking, choose plant-based oils instead of butter, shortening, lard, or margarine. Opt for healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Foods and drinks to limit with diabetes. Fried foods and those high in saturated and trans fats. Foods high in sodium, salt, or baking soda. Sweets like pastries, candy, and ice cream. Sugary drinks like soda, juice, sports drinks, and energy drinks. Drink water instead of sugary beverages. Use sugar substitutes in tea or coffee. Alcohol. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For people taking insulin or medications that increase insulin production, alcohol can cause blood sugar to drop sharply, especially if you haven't eaten for a while. It's best to eat a meal or snack when consuming alcohol. When should I eat if I have diabetes? Some people with diabetes need to eat at the same times each day, while others have more flexibility. Depending on the type of diabetes medication or insulin you take, you may need to consume a consistent amount of carbohydrates at regular times. If you take mealtime insulin, your eating schedule can be more flexible. If you skip or delay meals while taking diabetes medications or insulin, your blood sugar can drop too low. Talk to your doctor about when and how often you should eat, especially around physical activity. How much can I eat if I have diabetes? Eating the right amount of food helps manage your blood sugar and weight. Your doctor can help you determine how many calories and how much food you need each day. Weight loss plan. If you're overweight or obese, you'll need to work with a registered dietitian to create a weight loss plan. Your healthcare provider can help calculate your calorie needs and design a fitness and diet program to help you reach and maintain your goal. To lose weight, reduce calorie intake and replace high-calorie, high-fat, and high-sugar foods with healthier options. This is the traditional approach. However, some people have also had success with ketogenic, low-carb, high-fat diets. Remember, a diet shouldn't be stressful for your body. A gradual approach and a well-designed plan by a specialist can minimize potential side effects. Meal planning methods. Two common methods to help plan meals if you have diabetes are the plate method and carbohydrate counting. Plate method. The plate method helps you control portion size, no need to count calories. It shows you how much of each food group to include on your plate. This method works well for lunch and dinner. Use a 9-inch plate. Fill half the plate with non-starchy vegetables. Fill 1/4 with lean protein, meat, fish, tofu, etc. Fill the last quarter with grains or starchy vegetables, like corn or peas. You can add a small bowl of fruit or a piece of fruit and a small glass of milk. This visual method makes it easy to balance your meals. Your daily eating plan may also include small snacks between main meals. Carbohydrate counting. Carb counting involves tracking the amount of carbohydrates in your food and drinks. Carbs turn into glucose in the body and have the greatest impact on blood sugar levels. Tracking them helps manage your blood sugar and determine the correct insulin dose. The amount of carbs you need depends on how well you manage your diabetes, your physical activity, and medications. Your doctor or dietitian can help create a personal carb counting plan. Carbs are measured in grams. To count carbs, learn which foods contain carbs. Read nutrition labels or estimate carb content. Add up the total carbs in a meal or day. Most carbs come from starchy foods, fruits, milk, and sweets. Try to limit carbs from added sugars or refined grains, like white bread and white rice. Instead, choose carbs from fruits, vegetables, beans, and low or fat-free milk. Choose healthy carbs like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and low-fat dairy as part of your daily plan. Why you need a nutrition plan. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, your doctor will likely recommend seeing a dietitian to develop a personalized nutrition plan. This will help you manage blood sugar levels, body weight, and reduce risk factors for heart disease and other complications like high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Consuming too many calories or fat can raise blood sugar levels. If not managed, this can lead to serious complications, such as hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, nerve damage, neuropathy, kidney disease, and heart problems. Healthy eating helps you control blood sugar without giving up your food traditions. And if you need to lose weight, a diabetes-friendly diet is a safe and effective way to do it. What is medical nutrition therapy, MNT? MNT is personalized nutrition counseling provided by a registered dietitian. For people with diabetes, it helps manage the disease and delay complications. Your nutrition plan is tailored to your habits and preferences, and it may reduce the need for diabetes medications or insulin. In many cases, especially with type 2 diabetes, nutrition therapy alone can be enough to reverse the condition. Creating a personal MNT plan is a complex task that requires professional expertise and specialized tools. Risks of poor nutrition. If you have diabetes, you need to work with your doctor and dietitian to build a nutrition plan that works for you. Choose healthy foods, watch portion sizes, and track your blood sugar. Not following a prescribed diet can result in uncontrolled glucose levels and serious complications. Can supplements or vitamins help with diabetes? There is no evidence that dietary supplements, vitamins, minerals, herbs, or spices help manage diabetes. You might need supplements if you're not getting enough nutrients from food. Talk to your doctor before taking any, as some can cause side effects or interact with your medications. Diet-induced remission of type 2 diabetes. Many people with type 2 diabetes have achieved remission by losing weight through a calorie-restricted diet, followed by gradual reintroduction of foods and a weight maintenance plan. The direct study in the UK, involving nearly 300 participants, showed that remission could last up to 2 years. These results match a 2017 Lancet study showing that 46% of type 2 diabetes patients reached remission through diet alone.